think I did it. Here we go. Let me drop this into the Discord. Boop, boop.
We use Upwork because it's an all-in-one solution.
Boop. Heck to the yeah. Hello there and welcome. Took me a little bit too long to get here. Alright, let's talk. So, first things first, the news. I have been busy. Very busy. We are catching up with a lot of stuff right now. Let me see what we got here. So, pull up some pieces that we got going over here. And, alright. Check it out here. There we go. Got that going. Got that going. Took a second. Just making sure I'm not breaking anything. Sorry, I haven't streamed in a while. I have to, like, actually think for a second. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Hi. Alright, today we're doing a couple of things. So, we are going to be looking into, well, some magic stuff. Our major coding project right now is making a card creator that lets us make very high quality magic cards. So, a long time ago, I did this. And it was not necessarily the most high quality thing in the world. You know, even the video itself is pretty dated now. And what I kind of want to look into is how we can take the final idea and kind of upgrade it. I want to maybe host it on my website, probably. Something like that. And we're going to kind of have some fun with it. Let's see what we got here. So, yeah. Because a couple of different places have been absolutely destroyed. But for now, we're going to play a little bit of TCG Shop Simulator so I can get my craving. And also wake up, because I have not waken up yet. Alright. Let's do this. Bada bing, bada boom. Hippity hoppity, your cards are now my property. Alright, I think that's good. Load the game. Load the game. Alright, we'll do this for a little bit. But, yeah, some of our big to-do list stuffs is to kind of make that next video. And I'm hoping that it's within November. But, man, school has been a thing. Alright. Let's see what we got here. This is my card shop. Let me... Can I sort by price, please? Okay. Still that. Oh. What about Destiny cards? Yeah, okay. Still not the worst, but pretty bad. I know I didn't make that much money today. Yeah, let's just put them out. I missed all of my buttons. Protein Hulk. Oop. Ooh, I'm getting some spikes. 98. Oops. Boop, boop. Yep, here we go. And boom. And boom. Alright. Go into here. Go like that. Go like here. Go like that. No. No. Alright, there we go. Boop. And let's just look the next day. I got an achievement. I made $1,000 in profit in a day. Heck to the yeah. Alright. Probably because I've been spending all my money. Alright. Ooh, 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 ooh. Turning you on. Yeah. Alright. Look at all these people. Look at all these stinky people. Okay, good. It did its job. And then let's set you to be cashier today. Boop. You're manning the counter. Okay, good. Good. I can math. Buy all my product. Go. I'm not looking anymore. I do. Boop. 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 Ooh, you bought something big. Boom. Alright. Chillin'. 20. Boom. Boop. Boop. There we go. Hmm. Your eye's sticking out. Alright, let's see here. I think the best thing for me to do is probably to open up more packs. Do 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 do. And we're gonna do that right now. Can I? The next level of pack. Go. Super fast pack opening. Did I get anything good? I did get some stuff that's pretty good. What ghost cards? Nothing in there. Okay. We'll end this day and then we'll start doing my blender magic cards. Speed. There we go. That's what I thought. Boom. 28. Bada bing. Bada boom. Ooh. That's a lot of money. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, perfect. We can just throw these all in. Throw them all in. Alright. Do. Alright. If I just fired him, that'd be really funny. Alright, you're good. All in here good. Yep. Alright. Alright. Looks great. Alright. Total value, $12,000. Nice. Okay. Running out of stock, though. You two can play together. Come on. $81. Not bad. Not bad at all. Spark double. Everyone loves a good spark double. Spark doubling. We do be doubling though. Alright. Throw all this up. Mark up a little bit, but not too much. Ah, my eyes are just dying. Alright, here we go. Okay, we're good. Yep, no crazies. Nothing crazy happening. Spray. Go away. Be healthy. Shoo. Alright. We're good. I think we're good. Alright. Boop. Yeah, it's pretty fair. Sebastian Lake is the big coding adventure guy. So this I did mod it with a friend. So we did like overlays with magic. Um, so it like kind of can do any card game sim, which is really cool. It's only like $13 on Steam, and that's pretty cool. And since I am always busy with school, this felt like a pretty good pickup for a return to doing stuff. We won't be doing it for too long, probably a couple more minutes, and then I'll start working on what I want to work on today, which is some magic card coding. Let's see here. I don't. They're not that expensive anymore. Should probably stop putting them out. Take. Okay, open. Open some packs. Packs of magic cards. Gotta pack it up. Packing. It's the packing kraken. Alright, so we got 20 packs. With that in mind, that should give us enough, maybe not enough XP, but maybe enough money put out. So, like, if I do 60 still, that's not what I wanted. What about, that's Destiny? Ooh, what about this one? There we go, that's what I want. Yeah. Oh, that already dropped down by a lot of dollars. Do we not have any more big ones? Yeah, we don't. Okay, that kind of sucks. Well, turn the lights on here. Okay. Not too shabby. Let's open up some boxes. We're gonna go here, and we'll just like do that, and we'll just do that, and then we'll do a little bit of that. Realize I just did that. I shouldn't have done it like that. Oh well. Boom. And buy. Yeah! All the cards. Holding all of the cards. Wow. All of the cards. Boom. 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 It's a lot of packs. Alright. While that's opening, let's start figuring out what we're going to do next. Probably... Ooh, I don't think I want to use Unity this time. Let's just open up Chrome, and then I can start showing what I want to do. Alright. So. Where's my mouse at? There it is. Nope. There we go. Cool. So, a couple things Photoshop. We want to make our own magic card creator. Now, before I did one with AI, and it was pretty cool, but in reality, people aren't going to use it like that. What people want is to be able to make high quality magic cards for proxying. And proxying is the idea where you can just kind of make your own magic card and print it out at some sort of store, or even just on your own printer if you're lazy and cheap. But then you can kind of just play the game without having to spend too much. And I think that's the option here. Because there's some cool stuff with, like, oh, people have done, like, these Figma things, and I've used this before. People have done other programs. People have done the Photoshop files that let you do this, which is really cool. But, I kind of want something a little bit more substantial than this. Even a little bit. Because, oops, I just hit my microphone. I want something a little bit more substantial than this, because while it's great and all that we can do this semi-manually, I would love to be able to search up the magic card, have it autofill the information, and then have you be able to customize that magic card after. So, a good example would be if I go over here and I go something like Scryfall. Yeah. What I want to do is this website has a what's it called? It has a API that you're allowed to search for free. As long as you limit it to like 100 milliseconds per call, you're allowed to do whatever the heck you want with it, which is really cool. And basically, it lets you search up magic cards based on a whole bunch of different things. And from there, what I want to do is build some sort of search engine that lets you search up a magic card that you want to base your next card on. So if I typed in something like Soul Ring, here we go. It gives you the cards that are closest to that. You can then select it, and then I want it to auto-fill in all of the text, right? Auto-fill in all of the information, and then I want you to be able to customize this card kind of like what I had on my old video. So if I went to my channel and we sort by oldest, kind of like this. Oh no, my ads. This is what I get for not being on my personal account. You know, being able to, come on, load. Oh, there's another ad. That ain't fair. There we go. So, kind of like my other program, where I was able to change the frames and the arts and doing all of these little different things. I want to be able to do that, but with kind of pre-done magic cards, so that we don't have to type it all in. I also think that this UI kind of sucks. So, and also on top of that, I don't think Unity is the best option for this. It should probably be some sort of web app that I can host on GitHub. That would be the best of all worlds, is to have this be a web app, host it on my website, and then being able to upgrade it as a separate repo. That would be the top 10. So, let me see here. Yeah, because this is the website, makeplayingcards.com. This lets you print cards at very high quality. And I've always loved these, what's it called? Like these shops, because being able to just kind of order a deck of actual cards is really cool. Yeah, I would say that's probably our main goal for today, is to kind of get the basis of that app going and try and see what we can and can't do. You know, get the fonts in place, get the search engine in place. I don't know if it's going to be possible to do certain things, but I do know that this returns, yeah, syntax. Here we go. Not this, but maybe the API guide, because it actually explains to me like what it's going to make us need. Yeah, here we go. API documentation. So, other than all of the rules that we don't care about, JSON, yeah. I'm going to do a CSV table. We can get the image file. Okay, we can return an HTTP to a JSON file. That's fun. I know, right? It's really good to search with. But once you like kind of make it in your own app, it's really cool. They do request that if we do a lot of searches, that we start backing things up, though. Rate limits and good citizenship. Yeah, okay. 10 requests per second. We're not going to go above that. We're also probably going to try and limit that in a good way. Cool. That's okay. We're never going to do that. Encourage the cache and downloads from Skyfall process or local in your own database for at least 24 hours. Yep. Ooh. Oh. This isn't the best. I mean, sorry, this isn't the worst idea ever. Huh. Uncompressed size. A JSON file, Scryfall card objects, default cards, all cards of Scryfall card objects that can together contain all unique artwork. The chosen cards promote the best image scans. Ooh, that's cool. Like, I don't think I could host that on GitHub, but that's like pretty decent for certain pieces we may want, because we can do the API calls for the data, but then have the unique artwork just sort of sitting around. And then, yeah, if we wanted to build our own like stock predictor for Magic cards, we would definitely do that. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, all my cards done? They are done. All right, cool. How many? What did I pull? I pulled some decent stuff. All right, it doesn't really matter. Save the game. We're gonna close this up. I had my fun. I woke up. I woke up not that long ago. Forgot I was doing a stream today. Fields. Yep, this is pretty simple. This is... Yep. This is pretty self-explanatory. Cool. Alright. I'm not saying it's I'm sure the trap. I'm just saying there wasn't there yesterday. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, this is the yeah, descend interesting. Fun. Okay. Well, with that in mind, how do we want to do this? Because I want to be able to do things like all of these specific cards, like sagas or not commanders, planeswalkers. But I also know that that's a lot of work. Oh, the mutate. Yeah, that's true. Mutate's a thing too. Ah, this is hard. Because basically we want to figure out who we're stealing from for frames. It's okay if we take the frames, but we need to build something that's decent. Open this in Figma. I know there's some great Photoshop people that have, yeah, these templates. Yeah. And, uh-oh, my computer just decided to black out. Weird. Okay. Stability issues. Let's go. Alright, let me see here. Tutorials. They're all in French, but that's not the end of the world. Ah, so this is a very simple one. So we won't want to use this. I think the Figma one's really nice because I don't want to take the tour. Because it has all of the stuff kind of in it. Yeah. And then we have the font. I don't want to do it inside of Figma because we want this to be hosted like on my website. Special thanks to... Ooh, wait, here we go. Oh. Alright. It looks like someone did their homework. I used to use Card Conjurer, but Card Conjurer got discontinued because Wizards took it down. Okay. Does this have a description of what it is? A single-player fantasy card game. Interesting. Played against a component. Okay, I don't think we're going to be playing a random card game. I do think, though... Card builder fonts. Oh, I see. That's how he got the fonts. Cool. Okay, card components. Uh-oh. Something's happening. Stream status is poor. That's not good. I definitely have enough bit rate. Do you guys notice that my stream's like being laggy or anything? Ah, here we go. There we go. That's cool. So this is like all of the card. This is a great chart, by the way. Okay. I know it's taking its time to load. Hybrid guilds, gold guilds, and then your standard stuffs. No holo stamp, with holo stamp. And then, of course, your special cards, your split cards, your card extras, and the original playtest cards. Interesting. You didn't notice anything like it? Alright, cool. Cool. I guess my computer's just being weird. Alright, non-basic lands. Yep, looks pretty good. Looks pretty decent. And then I'm gonna guess if I go up here, yep, those have the symbol. Alright, I think I kind of like the way I did it before anyway, where I build a card creator on something like Unity. But, I'm debating, because I still don't know what the best option would be. Like, I almost want to build a web app, is kind of what I'm thinking at this point. We can get these symbols from somewhere. We can get the mana pit. We can get the mana font. The font's gonna be nice, probably nicer, to handle certain things. But this is good to have access to. The watermarks are pretty decent as well. Okay, base card components. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's what we're looking for. So, yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I like that. These are cards that don't have their textures applied, because the textures are down here. Ooh. Okay, and then the adventure tags, obviously. That makes sense. The split card. Oh, I see the basics for the split card. And then all of their breakdowns. This breakdown. Yeah. You just color shift it. And these are the fill-ins for things like, yep, for things like mutate. Basic card for the vehicle. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Cool. And then, of course, the draft stipulations, which kind of are just the basic lands. Interesting. Okay, with that in mind, let's... Ooh, assets. Okay, local assets. Card components. Oh, heck yeah. That's cool. So they have things like separated. Alright, I think for now, we're going to want to build some sort of web app that does the Scryfall stuff, and then instead of displaying whatever image it returns, we want to have it display our own version of images coming from here. And I think that's the best way to do it. And we build it from a basic card base, like this. Yeah. Control Shift H. Oh, interesting. Okay. And then supertype subtype. Yep. I like this simplified magic card view where it like doesn't have the texture on it. Like obviously we want to add the texture to it, but that's an interesting way of handling the card frames. All right. Let's think about this. MTG card creator. Who else is making card creators? So we got MTG Cardsmith. Volo. Guide to Monsters. Yeah, it's got all this like gold foiling and stuff. Create a new card with AI. Hold on. That's my job. A YouTuber building an empire. Flusk 1. Oh, this is the thingy. Okay. Generate art. Oh, I'm not gonna log in. Oh well. This is a cool animation. I like that. Yep, this is definitely a virus, but we're gonna go into it anyway. Yeah, this doesn't look. Oh, continue with Google? Heck nah. Alright, alright. I guess I should just open up my old version and start picking it apart with files. So, I guess we should put a to-do list up, huh? To-do list. It's gonna be pretty simple. Get all of the frames. Scryfall search program. Then we're gonna have Scryfall JSON build card from frames. Custom card. Alright. That's the to-do list. Make it a little bit smaller. Alright, cool. We can do that. Throw that up here so I can see it for later. Yar. Get all the frames. Let's do that first. So, I believe Magic version, Magic Animations. Yeah, I think it's this. Definitely this. Boom. Water. Water, water, water. Let's see what we got. I know for sure that we have basically all of the files, and they're organized weirdly. The polar told me I have a good eye for details. Who was I to argue? I was the one to argue. MTG auto proxy, and then it's based on the Photoshop automation. Yeah, like this is kind of what I want. Is I want these super high quality Magic cards that are an extremely high resolution. Um, yeah. Ooh. Ah, great. Looks like some of the old resources are being taken down. Front and back fun. Normal Theros and unstable skies. Planeswalker, normal extended mutate, adventure, miracle, snow. Various flavors of fancy frames. Stargazing Universe Beyond, Masterpiece. This is into card expansions. Stay planner cards, token, and basic lands. Yeah, I don't think this has been updated in a while, has it? No, it has not. Okay, we may need to do some of our own, which I'm kind of gonna hate, but that's okay. It could be that we just start with Universes Beyond for a minute. That might be what we do. Yeah. Because that's another thing, too, is the reason why I... Yeah. The reason why I did the cameras in the way I did them is because you need this bleed space for the print shops. And when you export the cards, they need to have bleed space for the print shops. Hello there, Shaggy Lone Wolf. Logan Douglas Cleed. Because we need that. The reason why I exported all of these cards with this big, thick black border is because it's necessary. Which really sucks. Oh, okay. UB. This is gonna not work the way I'm thinking, but we're gonna type in UB. Yep, here we go. Why are there two? Oh, there's the main one and there's the secondary one. Alright. So, here's the good and the bad. The good is that I should be able to grab basically all of these different pieces for the Universes Beyond. But I do kind of want to make my own modifications to it. And we might have to mess around with it, because I kind of want the next stuffs. Let me see here. This is the actual object. So everything that isn't with the square is something that we want to take to the desktop. Nope. Stop it. Okay. Boop. 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 Really suck if I mess this up. Okay. Copy. Did I miss anything? I don't think I missed anything. Sure, we can count it when we do this. So desktop. Alright. New folder. MTG. Paste. Well, shit. Is it not going to let me do that? Oh no. I see what's happening here. Skip these files. Ah, shit. They're all named the same. Fuck. A, B, C, D. What is A? Artifact. Black. But I searched in mainframes. How is that possible? UB. Yeah, this is searching. I understand what I did wrong. Okay, cool. Delete. New folder. Frames. There we go. Now I understand. 2, 3, 4. Why don't I have it in here? Do I not have Universes Beyond in here? Wait, what? Why don't I have that? Oh, this is an old version. Oh, okay. That sucks. Alright, we're gonna close you. Alright, that's good to keep track of. That was the GitHub pull. That's not good. We may need to get these frames manually again. Dang, that's really annoying. Okay, fine. Fine. MTG, high quality frames. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Magic 15 high res, set booster. Okay, what was the more recent one? So it looks like maybe not new enough to have Universes Beyond, sadly. Let's try this. This is a Photoshop file. We can try and do some work with this. Do some work with this. We can do this. I gotta extract you. Extract all. Go. I think we are good. Yeah. All right. All in one. All right. It's gonna take 9 years to load in Photoshop because there's so many images. Okay, that wasn't that bad. We really want those frames though. Okay. Actually though, this is a pretty good base. However, you can kind of tell, yeah, this is not what we're gonna want. Okay, close. Man, Card Conjurer. Yeah, Card Conjurer went down a little while ago, huh? Because now Card Conjurer isn't a mat. What? I thought they banned this. Oh. Oh. Yeah, so the real Card Conjurer got banned, right? Yes, it's time to pirate some things. So the original cards got banned, and they changed out all the symbols and stuff. But someone re-uploaded the original Card Conjurer. I'm just curious, if I go into Photoshop and I paste this, how big is this? Should be the size of my clipboard, yep. That's not bad. This is... Okay, 1,000 pixels by 1500-ish. The card is 2.5 by 3.5 inches. So the area, give me 1 second, so sorry. So 2.5 times 3.5 is 8.75. Divided by 1005 times 1407. Nope, reverse it. Cut. Do it the reverse. Paste. Divided by. Boom. That's also wrong. How do you do per square inch the the pixel density? Well, I guess I could do like 5, which is the shorter length, divided by 2.5. It's about 400 dpi. So this is not the highest resolution thing we could do, but it's pretty good. Like I'm just zooming in here. Yeah, it's like not like you can kind of see like that might be visible. Do I have my AI magic cards on? I do have my AI magic cards on me. Let me grab them. These are my AI magic cards from a little over a year ago. Let me pull out some stuff. Here we go. Fury of the Inferno. Alright, let's look at this. We'll do some manual adjustments. Whoa, hello, hi. So we made some of these magic cards. Oh, it's flipped. Ah, right, because I flipped my face cam. What an idiot. Alright, let's Control Z that. Let's add another device. Video capture device, yeah. Damn, we dropped it quickly. Alright, here we go. So, this is also flipped. What is this? Transform. Flip horizontally. There we go. So, we may. This is. It's like not focusing. It's probably because I'm right here. But these cards are pretty decently built, but it isn't. It isn't the best. It isn't the best. But it did get the job done. Now I just want to look at like the quality of this, because this was made using these card frames from Card Conjurer. Let me take a picture. Because what you can do is you can zoom in on the magic card. I'm going to hide that. Alright, let's get back to it. I would say... it's hard. It's hard to keep track of. Let me see here. So with that in mind, so if I zoom into that, we should be able to see if this card is super jagged or not. It may not matter because of the print quality of the shop, to be honest. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's not that bad. Share. Let me share this with myself so I can show it on screen. Gmail. Jamal. Oops. I need it to be sent to me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. Because I got me for life. Ooh. Alright, boom. And download. And throw it in here. Alright. So this is a close-up screenshot of my custom magic cards from a year ago. Even though the resolution on here is pretty, like, meh, the actual magic cards aren't much different. Like, at least the ones I printed. And I'm gonna be honest with you, looking at it, it isn't the worst. It's not good, but it isn't the worst. So, with that in mind, we should try and build this. So we're going to delete that. Do I want to do a Photoshop layer strategy? We could do the Photoshop layer strategy. Okay, so these are the same. Interesting. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do that later. All right, let me put these aside. Okay. So one strategy is to go one by one and add all of these pieces and add it into the Photoshop file, and then be able to take the Photoshop file and kind of get rid of it. Oh, interesting. Because you can do like that. Yeah, now you have the basic one, and then you can add the gold one. Yep. All right, cool. I think someone's been updating this. Regular. Duskmorn. Outlaws of Thunder Junction. Someone's been updating this this program. Heck yeah. Perfect. Perfect. That's all we want. That's all we care about. Alright, showcase frames. Paranormal. Oh yeah. Heck to the yeah. This is something I care about a lot, actually. This is really cool. Having access to all of this. Alright. Let's go about it then. Accurate frames? What's an accurate frame? Actually, I'm very curious. What is the difference? Can I copy this and then put it into Photoshop? These are two technically different LAN bases, but whatever. Okay, so we're gonna go back into here. Let's copy this again. Go into Photoshop, File New. Clipboard's still the same size, so that means it's still the same quality. So I don't think accurate matters. What about tokens? What do we got for tokens recently? I think we're doing pretty good. Just like, okay, yep, basic stuff. All right. Yeah, let's just do. I guess we'll just do Universes Beyond, and then we'll move from there. So let's reset this program. Universes Beyond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Artifact. Land. So we'll have 8, 9, 10, 10. So it's 10 different cards. And if I copy this, right, if I copy it that way, I don't get this. Yeah. Oh, I do get it. No. So bad. All right, maybe I can remove it. Let me go to collector information. Get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you. Yes. Boom. Yeah, there we go. That's all we want. That is exactly what we want. All right, go back into here. Go back into frame. We delete you. We add blue. We copy. We paste into Photoshop. And we do this. If I copy it like this, does that cause any issues? Nope, it does not. Cool, we'll be lazy. Wait, if there's a Card Conjurer re-release, then does that mean that there is a... Ooh, wait a second. Wait a second. Is this pre-split? UB. It is, isn't it? Yeah. Hey, this is a GitHub with all the files. This is a GitHub with all of the files. That's not that bad. Let me see here if we can find frame. Like, what are you called? Frames. Frames. Yep. For multicolored adventures. Hey, this is probably the super upgraded one. 6 months ago. 8 months ago. 6 months ago. This is not that crazy. Yeah. Okay. When was the last time you were updated? You were updated 5 months ago, so this is not the updated one fully, but it does have some of those qualities that we care about. So, Card Conjurer, GitHub. Yeah. Card Conjurer. Ah. That must be an old version. Hmm. Yeah, they don't really make that super clear. A guy with an open-ended source project is doing all this stuff currently. I can download it. Interested. Yeah, but this is not necessarily what we want. Dusk? Dusk. Images. Frames. Eighth playtest. That's so weird. Okay. Issues. So then, where is cardconjurer.app? Where are you being hosted from? This is the same one, isn't it? Yeah, pretty much. Yep. Yep. Okay. It's a little annoying. I don't necessarily want to deal with that. Is there like, is there a way? Oh. Use next frame for all enchantments where applicable. Watermark. Is there settings I can use? Printing tool, ask person 2.0 function generator about me. About me. I want to read this. Does it just redirect? It's me, Kyle. Oh. Okay, gallery. Hey. Oh, okay, yep. This has a lot of what we're looking for. Okay. Include all unique print options. Automatically update frame. Universe is beyond. Okay, there we go. Mana cost. wants me to do a thing, huh? Uh-oh. It looks like it's a little bit broken. Oh, and it looks like I broke it. Investigate. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. A whole bunch of vectors. Cool. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, I think I may end the stream only just because I am really tired and I want food. But I'm glad we had glad we did a little bit of stuff. But I think what we should probably look into is the next video for making magic guards, because that's going to be definitely fun. So.